here, this is me Nishika, and in today's video I am gonna make this plazo and top set. I guess I'm not gonna wear them as a set though, but still. And yeah, I'm gonna make drafts and cut the fabric and so obviously. So keep watching. Hi, this is editing Nishika, and I'm making this voiceover because I could not have said anything in the video because I knew I had to cut them, and my phone was literally on the roof, so it was quite impossible. So here I am marking my measurements on the fabric and then making lines to cut for the top. Now, I don't know where that video went, but I made these lines for the straps that I am cutting in this video. Also, I cut them in a straight line, so now I am dividing them into two. Also, what's with me and these small fabric pieces? They are so cute! Here I am folding these straps from center to iron them to get crease line. And why? You'll know soon. Okay, so soon has come and I iron these from center to get crease lines because we need 4 pieces from straps. Now I'm ironing the plazo fabric I had already cut yesterday. Always and forever make sure to smooth out the fabric before and while ironing. Okay, so the camera wasn't used because pocha lag raha tha, so I went out and bought this canvas belt and dhaga for plazo pants. So we will start stitching soon because अभी भी गीला है, so अगर नीचे उतर गई ना तो मम्मी पीटेगी मुझे. So let's wait अभी के लिए. And also guess what, मैंने पूरा रूम फैला दिया है. Alright, so we are starting first with the plazo, and that is because I just want to. I feel like the top is very easy, and I should start with plazo so that whatever time the plazo takes, I will be demotivated, but I will have a simpler option to do after this. So even if it takes time, even if it's get difficult, I'm just gonna do the top anyway because hell, it's simple. Okay, so a little something happened. Starting to make the plazo pants. All right. So what happens is that I cut them in a mirror image together. And this morning I was cutting the top and everything, so I didn't think that I should unpin the mirror image. Then this happened, and I am really frustrated at this point. I just don't wanna make the plazo pants anymore. So what happened was मैंने unpin करा and मैंने दोनों को अलग से निकाला and I was spinning the inseams and I was like, yeah, let's start stitching. Alright, so my machine was on and I had filled the bobbin and everything. I could tell that there was something wrong with everything in this particular piece. Alright, so this was the mirror image that I actually cut from beneath. I'm not sure if I'm explaining it right, but anyway, it was the mirror image of the actual fabric that I was cutting. I knew I should cut it like once here, then there, but in college we cut plazo 2 times, once for the test fit, and once for the final garment. And both the times I used this mirror image thing and it worked. And starting se bhi, I wasn't taking help of any tutorial, right? So I had cut with the way that they taught me in fashion school. So I cut it that way, and literally no one on internet seems to know that way. I don't know why people cut it differently. I just don't know. Alright, I'm not shaming anyone, but I don't know. I cannot find anyone who can actually tell me how to sew and how to, like, just correct what I did. Yeah, I'm sorry, I didn't tell you about what exactly wrong I did. The mirror image does not have seam allowance on the crotch area. I don't know how it happened. I don't know what I did. So now I'm waiting for my friend to call me. So now I will confirm with her how exactly should I do this, because I remember every step. It's so simple. Plazo pants are the simplest thing you can make. Not a top, not a skirt. Like, and I don't know how it happened. I'm gonna do the right one first so that I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna do the inseam and then we'll see what happens. I cannot believe my luck. I really cannot. This has happened. Like, what is this? अभी सर्विसिंग से आई है यार ये मशीन एंड व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, लाइक व्हाट शुड आई डू. कपड़ा नहीं काटना मुझे बिकॉज देयर इज ऑलरेडी थोड़ा सा ही कपड़ा. आई वाज वर्किंग विद इट एंड ओह, what am I, some kind of magic person, miracle person? I don't know. बिना कपड़ा काटे मैंने मेरा कपड़ा बस मैं से बाहर निकाल लिया है. And here it goes. Whatever this is happening, I don't know what's happening inside here, like, and why. तो मैंने जो लास्ट वीडियो अपलोड करी थी उसको हो गए हैं अभी 3 से 4 घंटे एंड आई डोंट नो मैंने कैसे ऐसे यहीं पे छोड़ दिया. लाइक अभी भी इसकी बाकी है इनसे. But I have got this wave of productivity. आज anyhow I will complete the plazo and the top. I really want to. So let's just go. Alright, so अब crotch की बारी है. This is the area that we don't want to get messed up because why would we? So दूसरा part भी लाने दो. Okay, so I have both the legs, दोनों की inseams I have stitched and अभी इसका crotch ये रहा, इसका crotch ये रहा. This is the back, right? And this is the front. इसमें भी it must be the same, है ना? So what we have to do is कि as far as I remember एक V होता है that we have to like join. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. So give me some time. I'll give you a time lapse. Guys, हो तो गया है. Both the sides came equal. Alright. But दिक्कत ये है ना कि अगर मैं ऐसे यहाँ से सिल दूंगी तो मैं ऐसे बाहर से सिल दूंगी because from the right side, क्योंकि यहाँ से मैंने इंसिंग लगाई है तो ये मुझे पूरा निकाल कर अब अंदर की साइड करना पड़ेगा. ये हो गया है बट वेट यार, ये अंदर की साइड हो भी नहीं पाएगा बिकॉज अंदर की साइड कैसे होगा ये ऐसा लगेगा. ओके, राइट इनसाइड बट स्टिल यार डमैस. स्टिल सी राइट इनसाइड गया एंड स्टिल उसके बाद नहीं, अब इट विल बी फाइन. राइट इनसाइड जाने के बाद इट विल बी फाइन. So this will apparently become the inside. Yeah. Sometimes stitching and fashion designing makes me rethink if I want it as a career. I'll meet you again. Guys, I'm so proud of myself. I'm like so freaking proud of myself. Look what I did. Look what I did. You know, phone. Alright, look what I did. Like the crotch that I was so worried about exactly matches the front and the back. Exactly. Like, excuse me. I can be a fashion designer after all. I think. Okay, so this is the editing Nishika, and abhi you're gonna watch this video, and इसमें basically I'm saying that I have done the crotch and that I did a really good job in that. Really proud of myself, which I actually am, because after having that huge thing about all morning about not having seam allowance on the crotch and everything, I did a really good job with the crotch, and actually it seemed like maybe there was something wrong with maybe the draft or something, because the fitting is good too. So anyways, yeah, I don't need to give you spoilers. Also मैंने अभी तक बेल्ट कट करा नहीं है, so I'm gonna cut it now. Let's go. Again, this is a very awkward angle in the video, but I'm really sorry for that too. But what actually happened was, this was way into the night. This was like somewhere around 11 at this time when I was doing the belt, and the belt took a lot of time because I had to, put the canvas belt, stick it to the fabric for the belt, and then with the elastic, because I did the canvas belt and the elastic. So it was kind of tough because this was my first time ever doing it. It wasn't really tough, but it took a little time, and I was actually getting cranky, frustrated, because I hadn't eaten anything. I was exhausted by the whole day's whatever was happening, and so I just didn't like what happened. Guys, look at these beautiful gathers. I'm in love. They're so tiny too. Oh my god, they're so tiny. They're so tiny. So cute. So cute. Okay, so plazo is done. I'm very happy. That gave me a little bit of motivation. Last में hem भी थोड़ी सी problematic हो गई थी, but it's okay. And now I'm moving forward to. Okay, guys, hi. This is 2 days after the last video was shot, because रात को I just knew if I still do this, then most probably सब कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाना था. तो फिर मैंने कुछ भी नहीं करा उस दिन, एंड मैं रात को समवेयर अराउंड 1:30 पे मैं सोई. अगले दिन राखी थी, सो आई कुडंट डू एनीथिंग, एंड राखी की वजह से मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थक गई थी. सो संडे को भी आई कुडंट डू एनीथिंग, बट एनीवेज आई गॉट थ्रू इट, एंड अभी आई एम फीलिंग मच बेटर. सो आई विल डू दिस, एंड आई थिंक दैट अभी आई शुड जस्ट डू दिस. कुछ भी बोलने के बजाय, कुछ भी करने के बजाय, आई शुड जस्ट do this, because I saw a tutorial of this top on someone on Instagram, and she's really good at it actually. So I think I should just get going. Yeah. Okay, so I did the straps. ये पूरी हो चुकी हैं. All I have to do is stitch them into the top. And अभी top का भी थोड़ी सी side edges बची हैं. तो I have already pinned them. So I'm just gonna sew them on the edge. Okay, so guys, this is first fit that I'm doing, and this is exactly what it should be. अभी काफ़ी ज़्यादा मुझे ना टाइम लग ही चुका है ऑलरेडी. मम्मी से भी मैंने बहुत सारा फिटिंग करवाया था. अभी know the tutorial I am sewing this from here, and it's quite confusing for me. But अभी the top seems off a lot, because yeah, I think I should just sew it now. And also the back is not much. I don't think I can show you the back right now, because how can I? Till then, I'm gonna sew, and then the video is gonna be over. So let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna show you the back of this top. This is the front, and I like it. I like the front a lot. Now, like thoda देर बाद it kind of fits on you and looks good. And this is the back. The back is open and I really like it, but my mom doesn't approve. She wants it closed or something. But I think this will but अभी के लिए I will just sew the straps here. You can see like I have pinned it, and पीछे भी I have pinned it. So I'm just gonna sew it right there. This is alright. I'm gonna sew on this. It's very easy. I'm very happy. I am doing it. Let's do this. Okay, so guys, this is the whole fit. This is both of the garments, and I don't think I should show you the back, but here it is. I don't actually like how they turned out, if I'm being really, really honest. But this was my kind of first attempt at this. The gathers of this plazo, I didn't do a good job with them. The top, my machine kept, I don't know, throwing fits. I kind of like the plazo's length actually, and if it's ankle length, and I can wear some flats. See, I have some flats. Wait a second. I'm not in the frame, I know, but let me just wear these. I know this is gonna go with these. These are absolutely new. I really like these. I don't know if you can see here. I guess now you can see. Okay. Yeah, there you go. This was a very beginner friendly project. I am also a beginner, but it kind of hurts my ego that I could not make such simple things so easily, because I've made like early Indian wear, and those are the most difficult thing ever. It stopped me. I didn't have to put sleeves and everything, so I'm kind of disappointed. It hurts my ego a lot that I could not make it better. Though I like the back of the top. It was exactly how it was seen in the tutorial, and the plazo's flowiness and length. And after a little bit, you just get hang of it. You just know that it's good now. I like it after this, and I think it'll work. So yeah. Okay, so guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you liked the video. And if there was any best part of yours, please comment down below and like the video. And also comment down below if there was anything you want to criticize me for. I'm up for it. Watch other videos if you like this one too, because they are fashion related, actually stitching related, but I think you will enjoy them. I'm going to be consistent on YouTube, so watch other videos and subscribe to follow along. Bye bye.